This afternoon in Bay County, Judge James Goodman heard claims from all parties involved with the Mexico Beach recall lawsuit.
At the end of the January timeframe, Mayor Michelle Miller sued Recall Committee Chairman Donnie Walker, claiming the petition allegations just weren't true. As News 13's Courtney Evans tells us, the Supervisor of Elections office was also involved in today's hearing at the Bay County Courthouse.
The Recall Michelle Miller committee says Miller violated the Sunshine Law by sending an email to other council members. Her attorney says nobody responded to the email chain, so it isn't a Sunshine Law violation.
And in order to have a violation of the Sunshine Law, you have to have an exchange of the emails. Without having an exchange of the emails, the petition on the first ground has to be found that it doesn't meet the criteria and is invalid.
Attorney Marie Maddox says the second claim in the petition, saying Miller directed a City of Mexico Beach employee to end services with one contractor and to authorize another contractor, is too vague since the names of the contractors are not mentioned.
Who are we talking about? What are we talking about? Okay? What contractor did she say to end services with and to authorize another contractor to access city accounting systems and official act? We don't know who that is.
We don't believe that's necessary. We have directed it to a particular day, which allows Mayor Miller to know what it is we're talking about. We talk about a specific contractor and access.
What specific contractor did you talk about?
It's an accounting contractor.
Even with the debate on the legality about the petition, the defense wants the judge to allow the recall election to continue and let voters decide on the issue.
We provided the court with a proposed order. We believe that that order lays out everything that's necessary in order for this matter to be resolved and disposed of, and we would ask the court to execute that order, or if the court finds necessary to modify it somehow, to modify it. But we ask the court to rule in favor of the petition, allow this process to move forward.
The attorney for Supervisor of Elections, Mark Anderson, told the judge they don't want him to make a decision right now.
There is a great concern that if the court were to issue an order or a ruling, a dispositive order or ruling before April 16th, that it could have an impact on the turnout of the election for the other 7 issues that are on this ballot that aren't under question.
Judge Goodman agreed, saying he has no legal duty to rule on this proceeding before Election Day. The recall election will continue, and the lawsuit will be settled at an undetermined later date. In Bay County, Courtney Evans, News 13, Panhandle Strong.
Judge James Goodman told attorneys that they have until noon this Wednesday, day after tomorrow, to submit an updated proposed order to the court.